guys, my name is Manish and welcome back to Planet Bollywood, your one-stop shop for all the latest, most updated news from the world of Bollywood and social media. Well guys, we have a great show lined up for you, but before that, I'm going to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. And on that note, here are our top stories. Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma have strict security in place to protect their baby's privacy. Kareena's maternity wardrobe choices that won our hearts. Arjun Kapoor shares a dreamy picture clicked by girlfriend Malaika Arora. Deepika Padukone reveals her favorite comfort food in a new video. Tiger and Disha spotted together as they enjoy a family dinner with Tiger's mom. Virat and Anushka are brand new parents to a baby girl, and given their celebrity status, fans are eagerly waiting for the first glimpse of their daughter. But the power couple has established strict measures to safeguard their privacy and make sure no one tries to click a picture of their baby girl. After being married for 3 years, Virat Kohli and Anushka Sharma have become parents, and the couple who announced in August last year that they were expecting a baby are currently in a hospital in Mumbai where Anushka delivered a baby girl on the 11th of January. Virat made the announcement public on his social media page that his daughter has arrived and is currently on paternity leave, and it looks like the new parents are enjoying a break from social media as they bond with their baby daughter. Here's the story. Virat's announcement कि उनकी छोटी सी princess इस दुनिया में आ गई है has become the most liked post of the year already, and given their immense individual popularity and the love that they receive as a couple, people can't help but be excited about finding out the name of the new baby or getting a sneak peek at her cuteness. But perhaps लोगों की इसी curiosity की वजह से Virat and Anushka have gone the extra mile to safeguard their privacy. The couple has laid down strict rules at the hospital, जिसकी वजह से कोई उनसे मिलने नहीं आ सकता, not even close family members. This may be to protect Anushka and the baby from possibly contracting the pandemic-related virus from others. The hospital has also been asked not to accept any flowers or gifts. In fact, security इतनी tight है कि आसपास के rooms में जो patients हैं, उनके visitors भी अनुष्का के room के पास नहीं जा सकते. The hospital has also instructed their staff not to click any pictures of the couple or the baby, and may also arrange for an alternative exit to ensure that the couple doesn't get hounded by waiting press photographers. While everyone is taking measures to make sure Virat and Anushka get their privacy that they have requested, there was a slight issue for a while on social media after Virat's brother Vikas Kohli shared a picture of baby feet to welcome his niece. Many assumed that it was the first picture of Virat and Anushka's baby, but Vikas soon issued a clarification explaining that it was just a stock image to announce the child's arrival. He wrote, "Guys, let me clarify that the picture I posted yesterday to congratulate Anushka and Virat is a random picture and not the actual picture of the baby, as some media channels are reporting. Posting to clarify." Well, we completely understand that the couple just wants to enjoy this bubble of love right now, and we wish the new parents lots of happiness with their baby girl. Kareena Kapoor Khan can make even a simple pair of jeans and a t-shirt look like couture. Such is her natural charisma. The actor, who has been in the business for 20 years now, has gone from size 0 to full-term pregnant and all the different sizes in between. But at any stage or shape, Bebo has carried herself with confidence and poise. Take a look.
Kareena Kapoor Khan is one of Bollywood's most versatile and timeless style icons. Striking the right balance between casual, accessible fashion, that high-end glamour, Kareena manages to make looking chic seem effortless. Even with her second pregnancy, the star has kept her maternity wardrobe versatile and comfortable. As she travels and works through her pregnancy, stunning Bebo has been spotted in flowing maxis and kaftans, breezy cotton midi dresses, comfy quad sets, and fashionable workwear that is usually classic and well cut and without any unnecessary embellishment. Here are our favorite 5 looks from Bebo's second maternity closet. Number 1. Zara Maxi Dress. Nothing screams comfort like this flowing maxi dress that allows a mom-to-be to walk comfortably with her growing bump. The fun geometric pattern adds to the style quotient, and while Bebo wore it with a simple pair of black flats, it can easily be made to look super glamorous with just the right accessories. Number 2. Kurtas. Kareena Kapoor Khan has really shown us how versatile and comfortable a good old Indian kurta can be with her second pregnancy. Whether it's a classic white kurta that she wore for Diwali or the bright parrot green masaba number she chose for the Kapoor Christmas lunch, Kareena Kapoor Khan has been choosing lots of different kurtas and teaming them with palazzos, churidars or a comfy salwars. Number 3. Kaftans. Kareena Kapoor Khan started the kaftan trend during the lockdown, which coincided with summer, and ever since then, the actor has been spotted continuing her love for kaftans with stylish designs, colors, and prints. The actor was spotted in a gorgeous yellow kaftan with simple red embroidery that she paired with gold trousers to create a more formal look while stepping out in the city. Number 4. Dresses at work. Kareena Kapoor Khan has been shooting for her chat show through her pregnancy, and the actor has been making quite the statement with her stylish yet comfortable wardrobe choices. Whether it's the grey sweater dress from Gap that adorably hugged her baby bump, or the orange pottery print dress that enhanced her maternity glow, Kareena Kapoor Khan, who is hosting the show virtually, made sure her fashion choices were always on point. Number 5. Cotton dresses. Kareena Kapoor Khan has been spotted wearing lots of knee-length cotton dresses in soothing pastel tones and floral prints recently. The actor has been choosing comfort over anything else this pregnancy. And since there are no red carpet events or too many shoots happening, Kareena Kapoor Khan seems relaxed in loose-fitted midi dresses that she often pairs with her favorite hot pink Aces sliders or good old gold metallic flats.
प्यार दीवाना होता है, मस्ताना होता है, हर बंधन और एज गैप से अनजाना होता है. जी हाँ, over time Bollywood has seen several couples come together जहां the lady is a few years or several years older than the guy. लेकिन if marrying or dating an older man is not a problem, why should falling in love with an older woman be? While women dating older men is quite common in Bollywood, it's only recently that many couples have reversed this trend and have found love in relationships where the lady is older than the man. But in spite of society raising its eyebrows, these couples are very happy with each other and are shattering stereotypes every day with their love and respect for one another. Whether it's Malaika and Arjun, Priyanka and Nick, or Aishwarya and Abhishek, age has never come in the way of true love. Take a look. Malaika Arora and Arjun Kapoor have found love and happiness in each other, and the couple is not shying away from declaring just how much they mean to each other. After keeping their relationship under wraps for a few years, the couple finally made things official in 2019 when they shared a picture of themselves together from a holiday. In spite of the age difference and the fact that Malaika was married and has a son, their relationship is only getting deeper by the day. Malaika and Arjun are living life to the fullest, enjoying holidays in Dalhousie and Goa together and making sure to celebrate all special occasions like Diwali and Christmas with each other. Most recently, Arjun shared a picture where he looked super handsome in a printed shirt with soft lighting creating a dramatic backdrop around the good-looking star. While Arjun had clicked some fabulous pictures of Malaika during their recent holiday in Goa, it looks like Malaika returned the favor by clicking a dreamy picture of her bae. Arjun proudly shared that the picture had been clicked by his lady love and wrote in the caption, "A dreamer is one who can only find his way by moonlight, by her." Priyanka Nick. This East meets West pair faced lots of gossip and some rather mean memes on social media when they announced their wedding. Priyanka is 10 years older to Nick, and in addition to their age difference, the couple come from two completely different cultural backgrounds. बट जहां लोगों को प्रॉब्लम दिखे, प्रियंका और निक को दिखा सिर्फ एक दूसरे के लिए प्यार. The two married with both Desi and Videsi rituals 2 years ago and are going strong in spite of spending time apart and being busy with their respective careers. Abhishek and Aishwarya were friends and co-stars in multiple films before they fell in love on the sets of Guru and decided to get married. Both these stars have been through rough patches in their personal life, with Aishwarya going through a difficult relationship with Salman Khan and a rumored breakup with Vivek Oberoi. And Abhishek's rather public engagement with Karishma Kapoor being called off. The two finally found their soulmate in each other and got married in a lavish ceremony over a decade ago. They are now proud parents to the adorable Aradhya and have effortlessly taken over the mantle of being the junior Mr. and Mrs. Bachchan. Deepika Padukone may have a perfect 10 figure, but her ultimate comfort food is, any guesses? Homemade rasam and white rice. Deepika Padukone has candidly revealed on many occasions that she is a complete foodie and loves a variety of healthy and not so healthy food options. But while she loves food, she also loves exercise, and that's how she manages to look so fabulous all the time. Deepika Padukone created quite a flutter on social media when she deleted all her posts on a photo sharing app and started her new account with completely new posts and content that seemed to be specially recorded for different applications. After sharing a video montage on her birthday from her holiday in Ranthambore, Deepika has now shared a new video clip which sees her talking about her favorite food to someone in the vanity van. Take a look. In her latest social media post, Deepika has shared a video which begins with a shot of her vanity van. वैन में दीपिका रेडी हो रही हैं और रेडी होते होते वो किसी से बात कर रही हैं। She asks what the person behind her is eating and then goes on to talk about her go-to comfort food. Deepika, who looks stunning in a green outfit in the video as she gets her makeup done, says, "I think my favorite go-to comfort food is just homemade South Indian food." She then goes on to lick her lips and say yum while imagining a yummy plateful of hot rasam rice. दीपिका को अपने फेवरेट फूड के बारे में बात करते हुए देखकर उनके फ्रेंड्स को भी भूख लग गई and many responded to her post with comments about their own favorite food. While Parineeti Chopra wrote pizza, Deepika Padukone's bestie Ananya Pandey agreed कि दीपिका के घर में बना साउथ इंडियन खाना उनका भी फेवरेट फूड है because it's yum to another level. While speaking to a newspaper earlier, Deepika had talked about how she loves chaat from both Mumbai and Delhi. Deepika said, "I love chaat. Delhi is famous for it and even all the street food available in Mumbai." But while she indulges in chaat, she also makes sure to eat healthy and include food like quinoa, sushi, and vegetable juices in her diet. But if there is one dish she is happy to eat every day for the rest of her life, it will have to be rasam with white rice and mango pickle. We agree, Deepika. सारे cuisines एक तरफ और घर का खाना एक तरफ. Nothing is more comforting than a hot homemade meal served with lots of love. Disha and Tiger photos अलग लेते हैं, डिनर साथ में करते हैं. That's right. This "No, we are not dating each other" couple was spotted together yet again as they stepped out for a cozy meal with Tiger's mom at a restaurant in Mumbai. Disha and Tiger are one of Bollywood's most popular couples. Whether it's their impossibly well-toned physiques, their love for the beach, or their dedication to the gym, this good-looking pair seems to be a perfect match for each other. Now, though they refuse to accept that they are in a relationship and only share solo images or pictures and selfies while on vacation, fans have absolutely no doubt that the two are in a committed relationship. Here's the story. This good-looking pair has been spotted together very often in the past few months and even took holidays together to Dubai and the Maldives, where they brought in 2021 in each other's company. Disha is also extremely attached to Tiger's family, especially his mom and sister, जिनके साथ वो अक्सर सोशल मीडिया पे फोटो शेयर करती हैं. Soon after their return from a second holiday in the Maldives, Tiger और Disha were spotted having dinner at a restaurant in Mumbai. But this was not a date night. ये था एक प्यारा family dinner and the couple was joined by Tiger's mom, Aisha Shroff, and another friend of theirs. Tiger and Disha were dressed in cool casual clothes, with Tiger choosing a yellow t-shirt and black trousers that he paired with matching shoes, and Disha sporting a maroon crop top which she wore with maroon athleisures, sliders, and a black sling bag. Tiger's mom आई थी stylishly dressed in a black top and blue jeans and तीनों ने paparazzi के लिए पोज किया. But because of the pandemic restrictions, they kept their masks on to stay safe and were spotted leaving together in their car. Disha recently completed filming for Radhe, Your Most Wanted Bhai with Salman Khan and is currently waiting to start her next project, which is rumored to be Malang 2. Tiger, who has been away from the big screen after war, has Heropanti 2 and another Baghi film in the pipeline. Here's hoping that in 2021, at least this couple finally admits to their obvious bond and better still, announces a wedding date so we have lots to cheer about. Well, दोस्तों, अब वक्त हो गया एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लेने का, but don't go anywhere. We have a lot more on the other side. Under threat from the BMC over an allegedly illegal construction, Bollywood ke Masiha Sonu Sood is facing a possible demolition threat from the BMC, who claim he is trying to construct a hotel illegally at his residence. Sonu Sood has won admiration from around the world for his charitable deeds during the lockdown and his continuing efforts to help people in need. He has organized buses to transport migrant workers back home, funded surgeries for those in need, and gone out of his way to assist anyone who reached out to him for help. However, looks like the Messiah of the masses now finds himself in trouble with the BMC, who had earlier found illegal structures in Kangana Ranaut's office building as well. Take a look. Sonu has received a notice from the BMC जिसमें ये allegation है that the actor has illegally constructed structures and his apartment building. पिछले साल अक्टूबर में BMC ने सोनू को नोटिस इशू किया था, after which a civil court has granted Sonu's building protection against BMC's demolition till January 13th this year. लेकिन it looks like the interim relief Sonu received has run out. सोनू को एक हैबिचुअल ऑफेंडर बुलाते हुए BMC ने ये एलेज किया है that in spite of 2 demolitions having taken place in the past, the actor has again carried out unauthorized construction at his building in Juhu. According to the BMC, सोनू एक रेजिडेंशियल बिल्डिंग में स्ट्रक्चरल चेंजेस करके इसे एक कमर्शियल होटल बना रहे हैं विदाउट टेकिंग नेसेसरी परमिशंस फ्रॉम द लाइसेंस डिपार्टमेंट. अथॉरिटीज का कहना है कि नवंबर 2018 में पहली बार इस एलिजिडली इलीगल सेक्शन का डेमोलिशन हुआ था, लेकिन सोनू ने फिर से कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम शुरू किया एंड रीबिल्ट द डिमोलिश्ड सेक्शंस. फरवरी 2020 में फिर से BMC ने allegedly illegal construction को डिमोलिश किया. उनका कहना है कि सोनू के पास ऐसी कोई कागजात भी नहीं है to prove कि वो उस बिल्डिंग के ओनर्स हैं. However, Sonu, who has been getting recognition from around the world for his charitable acts, has responded and said कि उन्होंने कोई illegal या unauthorized construction नहीं किया है. Sonu's lawyer has claimed only those changes that are allowed under the Maharashtra Regional and Town Planning Act have been done. अब ये मैटर कौन सा मोड़ लेगा, ये देखना इंटरेस्टिंग होगा. Well, guys, with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. We will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest from the world of Bollywood and social media. Till then, stay tuned to our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite stars. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe, and ciao.